Hey guys, this is Aisha Farhat. You're watching the Aisha Way. Today I'm going to talk about skipping workout. For losing weight, not necessary to go gym. We can do workout. If you want to stay in shape and active, you do not have to go to the gym or any other fitness classes. What all you need is a jumping rope, free space and little motivation. Heavy and complicated equipment does not always guarantee a healthy body, but you can be reached by simply jumping the rope from the comfort of your own home. Jumping to keep in shape is not new. Even the best athletes in the world are doing it because it's an amazing way to exercise. We have few benefits for jumping rope. It burns calories. A daily rope jumping for a limited time and at a fixed space will also help you to burn calories. You can include short sets of high intensity intervals to activate your muscles and burn more calories. Jumping rope can also help you to develop your muscles over time. Iron's muscles in lower and upper body. Another benefit of the jumping rope is that it is great for toning the muscles of the legs, and lower body leg pain may occur after the first day. This is because those muscles have been inactive for a long period. Give them a few days to recover, and soon your muscles will become stronger and more conditioned as you continue your routine. Best tool for weight loss. One of the main benefits of the jumping rope is that it is a great weight loss tool. If you jump to rope 30 minutes, you can burn about 300 calories. Thus, as to lose 1 pound a week, you must regularly skip for 30 minutes and remove 400 calories from your diet. Although it may seem difficult at first glance, this will establish the weight reduction movement most beneficially. Jumping rope is a simple and amazing way to lose those extra calories. It's better than jogging or running, as you are bouncing on your toes while doing it without affecting your knees respectively. It improves heart rate. One of the best benefits of jumping rope is that it is one of the best forms of cardio exercises that contribute to a healthy heart. Your cardiovascular body workout improves your heart as well as the arteries and veins that help circulate blood and oxygen between the heart and other organs of the body. By improving the capacity of this body work, your heart will work more efficiently. You will also suffer loss for shortness of breath during various activities, as this will help you to improve your stamina. Improves bone density. By bone fragility and increased susceptibility to fractures, bone mass decreases after age 35 and bone loss occurs more rapidly in women after menopause. Jumping rope stimulates that bone the best within the femoral neck and helps strengthen it. Helps improve the skin. Have you ever noticed the glow of your face after a workout? For beautiful skin, one of the secrets is to exercise. Not everyone can find the time to go to the gym in the middle of a busy schedule. Jumping rope is the most comfortable way to exercise, even if it's 15 minutes a day. Exercise promotes blood circulation in the body, nourishes the skin, and eliminates toxins. Many martial artists, athletes, boxers, and tennis players who integrate rope jumping into their training routine, even celebrities also. So thanks for watching and keep practice in home